little fruit that's perfect for you. A funny little fruit that's perfect for you. Bananas are yellow, so ripe and sweet. Peel them and munch them, what a treat! They slip and they slide, oh what a joke! You might end up slipping or choke on a poke. They grow in the sun, hang out in a bunch. They make the best smoothie or tasty brunch. When they start to spot, don't let them go. They're perfect for bread or a cake to show. So here's to the banana, a fruit full of cheer, with a curve that's the cutest and a taste so dear. So grab one today, or even two, a funny little fruit that's perfect for you. So here's to the banana, a fruit full of cheer, with a curve that's the cutest and it tastes so dear. So grab one today or even two.